Hello my gents, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Aditi and welcome to another haul. So basically today we'll be doing an Ajio haul. I got few things from the haul contains of like tops, crop tops, t-shirts, kurti and a midi frock you can say. So yeah, let's get started with the video. But before we get started, hi, my name is Aditi. I post content every week. I would like to request to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so whenever I post a video you get notified. So without any further ado, 3, 2, 1, let's begin. स्टार्टिंग करते हुए हम लोग बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल वे से स्टार्टिंग करेंगे एंड आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग कैन बी मोर कंफर्टेबल देन अ टी शर्ट. सो आई गॉट दिस टी शर्ट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रिंट. आई जस्ट लव द कोट. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, इट सेज फ्लॉसम. An individual who embraces their flaws and know they're awesome regardlessly. Now you can find this t-shirt in Myntra also, but I got it during the sale of Ajio, so I got it like ₹4. I would mention in the screen because I actually don't remember the amount correctly, but I just love the fit. This t-shirt also comes in another color too. I think येलो और एक याद नहीं. तो मैं थोड़ा सा मतलब मुझे टी शर्ट्स थोड़े लूज पसंद है, तो आई गॉट इट फॉर एल. माई नॉर्मल साइज इज़ एम, सो आई गॉट इट फॉर एल. सो थोड़ा सा लूज फिट हो. आई डोंट नो उतना लूज होगा कि नहीं, लेकिन लंबा तो थोड़ा है. मतलब मैं जितना लंबा पहनती हूँ उससे थोड़ा लंबा है. एंड actually I just love the t-shirt, and the MRP of the t-shirt says that 1199, and I don't think so that anyone would give like 1199 rupees for this t-shirt. I really don't feel like, but I just love the t-shirt. The quality is super great. It is totally comfortable. You can easily ace it. It's just like a simple t-shirt, but I got it basically for the print. So moving to the second top. The second top is something that I already have, but it was in a different color, so I got in another color also. Second top is this top. I have the same top in red color also. I love the bobby print over it, and I got this one also for the color just because I think lavender बहुत ही trend में चल रहा है, and it really looks cute and good even. Yes, I have this one in red color, and I like how it fits on me. It's just a proper fit. I got in the size M, so yeah, it's like a proper skin fit to me, but it is also stretchable. So it's from the brand name as Rio. So the MRP of the top is 499. So मेरे हिसाब से आपको ये टॉप हमेशा सेल में मिल ही जाएगा, बिकॉज मैं जब पिछली बार मंगवाई थी तब सेल नहीं चल रहा था. बट स्टिल आई गॉट दिस for like 219, and this time I got this one for sale, so I just need to pay like 150 rupees only. So इसके डिलीवरी में थोड़ा टाइम लगा था. आई डोंट नो वाई. 30 days लेट आया. आई एम जस्ट शॉक बिकॉज आजियो बहुत जल्दी डिलीवर करता है. But the quality is really nice. It is a kind of ripped top, but it is also not a ripped top. If you want to have something cute in your wardrobe, then you can definitely go for this. The color white, but I am not a white person. I cannot handle something white. I feel like because I think white is really a delicate color. I need to handle things with care, so I don't go for. In fact, ये जो white वाला है ना, मैं इसको छूती भी नहीं था कि मेरे को पता ही गंदा हो जाएगा. So yes, I just keep myself away from white. So the third top is this top, and मेरे को इस टॉप से ना बहुत hopes थे कि it will look very nice and everything, but it doesn't look very nice. It didn't match my expectations, to be very honest. It is a crop top, but only made up of cotton. It would be very comfortable. Genuinely, it looks like a proper tank top. Yeah, I feel it looks like a tank top, so I'm not a big fan of it. Basically ये पूरा plain black tank top दिखता है, बस थोड़ा crop है. So it is definitely not a hit for me, but also not a totally miss. means बीच में कहीं पर है. Next top is a yellow top. ये top कुछ plan नहीं था, बस कार्ट में shipping charge हटाना था, तो जो पहला दिख गया कम प्राइस में वो उठा ली मैं. So this is the thing. It is from the brand name as Fig. The MRP of it is 399, but I have definitely paid like 111 rupees for this top. I think it's a very basic go-to top. It is yellow in color. Material is not cotton, and it is a synthetic material, but I don't mind it. To be very honest, because I wear tops of this material. So this top has ruffle sleeves with this cinching material. So the next thing is something that I really love. This is this mustard yellow frock, midi frock you can say. I genuinely love how this looks on me. I genuinely love the material. It is really beautiful. Ruffle detailing in the end. It is from the brand name as Rio. I got in the size L. RP of this is rupees 899, but I got it for rupees 500, and I think for 500 it is a steal. It is my favorite. I am a die-hard fan of yellow colors and black color, so I love this color, and this mustard yellow is really nice. Material is really a hit for me. I would definitely suggest you to go for this. This is my best purchase in this haul. So next is also a top. Is this top? It is a crop top with a broad neck. So I am someone who loves off shoulder and broad neck because I feel this looks good on me. At least I love to think that it looks good on me. So this is rupees 1299. I feel ये लोग ऐसे ही लिख देते हैं because ये 1299 का कपड़ा तो है नहीं, कि बड़ा चढ़ा के लिख देते हैं ताकि फिर हम लोग बोले ओ कितना कम में मिल गया. लेकिन so keeping all this shit aside, I got this top for rupees 300 something. Link in the description box or in the screen itself, wherever I'm comfortable. So this top in the size M, और ये top भी उस टैंक टॉप के साथ आया था. एंड दिस प्रिटी गुड. इट इज फुल स्लीव्स एंड आई फील ब्रॉड नेक के साथ फुल स्लीव्स बहुत अच्छा जाता है. इट इज 100% कॉटन टू, so it will be very comfortable to wear too, I guess. So the next thing that I bought is a kurti, and I am not someone who genuinely loves kurtis. Means I love to wear, but I don't shop a lot because I think मैं frequently नहीं पहनूंगी. Then it will be a waste of money, to be very honest. So but this time I thought कि नहीं, I need to have something because other than that I don't have any ethnic wear. I only wear ethnic wear during Durga Puja or Diwali. But this time I got it. This is this pink. So I got this pink kurti. So I'm not a fan of pink kurtis, but it's really beautiful. It is a long kurti, so this is something I love. Kurti's material is really nice. It is pink in color. It has embroidery all over. This kurti turned out to be how I expected it to be. Flare hai. It is also quite comfortable. Last thing I got is a pair of slippers, or you can say sandals, for my mom. But वो मेरे mom के लिए थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया और वो मेरे को fit आ गया. So definitely I will be keeping it because to wear, and I am not really a fan of sandals or slippers because मेरे पैर बहुत बड़े हैं. मेरे पैर की उंगली में बहुत गैप है, तो मैं नहीं पहनना चाहती हूँ because it doesn't look flattering and nice to be very. I always try to go for sandals और shoes so that जिसके आगे का पार्ट क्लोज होता है, तो मुझे पता है तो मेरे पैर थोड़े बहुत अच्छे दिखेंगे उसमें. आई ट्राई टू अवॉइड स्लीपर्स एज मच एज आई कैन. और अगर मैं स्लीपर्स पहनती हूँ तो मैं वो स्लीपर्स पहनने का ट्राई करती हूँ जिसका फ्रंट पार्ट क्लोज्ड होगा. आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज़ मेकिंग सेंस. सो बट सिंस आई नीड टू कीप इट, आई थॉट ऑफ रिटर्निंग इट, बट आई थॉट कि मेरे पास नहीं है तो मैं रख लेती हूँ. कसर का घर में ही है, कहीं जाना भी नहीं है, और सो इट्स फाइन. I can wear them because my slippers recently खराब भी हो गए थे. So basically talking about the slippers, is really comfortable. Wear this and walk like for 2 to 3 hours and your feet will not pain. I assure you that because I have already done that. So I'm wearing it, so I'm not showing it to you here, but I'll insert a clip where I was just trying this out so that you can see how it actually looks like. So with this we have come towards the end of the haul. For this haul, my best purchase would be the frock and the kurti and the t-shirt. Means in between these three, if I need to choose one, I'll choose the t-shirt because it is really comfortable and I was eyeing on it for a very long time. So this would be the best purchase for me. And coming to the purchase that I didn't like is obvious, I think, is this tank top, which I thought it'd be like a very beautiful crop top, but it is a tank crop top. So this is not a hit for me, you can say. But not at all a miss, as I said before. Thank you my gems for watching till the end. I'll see you again in my next upcoming videos. Bye my gems, see you next time.